In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects to Squarespace images. Hover effects add a subtle, professional touch to your site by revealing motion or style changes when someone moves their mouse over an image. They can draw attention to important visuals, encourage clicks, and make your pages feel more dynamic without a lot of design work. Start inside your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Website to open your site tools, then select Pages. This takes you to the full list of pages on your site, including your main navigation, any folders, and hidden pages. Choose the page where you want the hover effect to appear. It can be any page with an image block, like your home page, a portfolio gallery, or a blog post layout. Once you're on that page, click Edit to enter the page editor. Hover over the section containing the image you want to enhance, then double-click that image to open its settings. This brings up the image editor, where you normally adjust things like the file, alt text, or design options. Look for the animation tab in the edit menu. This is where Squarespace centralizes motion and interaction controls. Open it, then click the plus icon to add a new trigger. Triggers tell Squarespace when to play an animation, and in this case, we want it to happen when a visitor hovers their mouse over the image. From the list of triggers, select On Hover. With that chosen, you'll see the available animations or effects you can apply. Pick the one that matches your style, whether that's a gentle fade, a zoom, a slide, or another subtle movement. As you browse, keep your brand tone in mind. For example, a minimal site may benefit from a soft fade, while a bold, creative portfolio might use a slightly stronger zoom. You'll see a live preview right in the editor, which helps you judge pacing and feel without leaving the page. When you're happy with the result, click Save. That's it. Your image now responds to mouse hover with the effect you selected. A quick note: on touch devices like phones and tablets, hover behaviors don't work the same way because there's no cursor. So focus your evaluation on desktop for this interaction. Also, aim for consistency across your page so animations feel intentional rather than distracting. If you're applying effects to multiple images, choosing a single style keeps your design cohesive. With those steps, you've added a polished interaction that elevates your visuals in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra flair on your Squarespace images.